Hello guys, you use smartphone Xiaomi 11T. This version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB RAM memory, internal memory. Okay. Device made of glass and plastic. In complementation we have protected back cover on this and key for SIM slot. And this we have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay. Device made of glass and plastic. On the back side triple camera LED and fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner in power key, volume keys on this side, this right side. On the left side without controls, upside we have speaker, downside speaker Type-C port and slot for 2 nano SIM card. Okay, turn on device. 6.7-inch display, full HD plus resolution, 120 Hz display, AMOLED matrix. Okay, open Geekbench 5, talk about system information, GPU test results. We have GPU Mali G77MC9, resolution and display pay. GPU, this GPU and CPU we have MT6893, octa-core processor 4+3+1 cores, and CPU test results. Okay, look onto the benchmark results. Okay, close this and look demanded game on this device. GTA San Andreas works perfect without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay on the max graphic level. Close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.